Good morning, children. How are you today? I'm back with you. I'm teacher Shireen. You still remember, right? Okay, so today you will learn English with teacher Shireen. Yeah. Okay, who can tell me what day is today? Yes? Very good. Today is Tuesday, 27th April 20 and 21. Okay, what are we going to learn today? You remember last week we learned letter I. Can you tell me what is the sound for letter I? I, E. Very good. I, E. Yes. I, E. Okay. I, E. Ice cream. I, E. Igloo. I, E. Iguana. I-E, iron. I-E, ice. Okay, you all remember? Okay, one more time. Teacher will do revision. Make sure you don't forget, okay? I-E, I-E. Okay. I-E, ice cream. I-E, igloo. I-E, iguana. I-E, iron. And I-E, eyes. Okay, you're so clever. Well done. Clap hands for yourself, okay? Okay, now today we will learn letter J. Look at the whiteboard. Letter J. 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 What are the pictures comes for J? J. J. Juice. J. J. Juice. J. Jacket. J. Jacket. J. Jam. J. Jam. J. Jet. J. Jet. J. Jelly. J. Jelly. One more time, okay? J. Juice. J. Jacket. J. Jam. J. Jet. J. Jelly. Very good. Okay, can you all read for teacher? Okay, 1, 2, 3. J. Juice. Very good. J. Jacket. J. Jam. J. Jet. And J. Jelly. Wow, well done. So clever. Okay, now let's do some exercise on the book. Okay. Wow, look at teacher. What do I have here? Okay, here can you see the J, capital J and small j. Okay, now what we have to do is you have to say loudly. Trace the uppercase J and lowercase j and say and color the objects below. Okay, look at the objects down here. J, joker. J, jump. J, jeep. Okay, now how do we write letter J? First, we will learn to write uppercase J. Okay, uppercase J is like, okay, first you have to draw one straight line and then one line to down. And how do we write lowercase j? One line to down and a dot up there. Can you do that? Okay, so you get a pencil from your mother. Just trace out the letter J. Okay? Well done, children. Teacher hope you will do your work properly. Okay, let's finish the work together and send picture to teacher. Okay, so teacher Shireen will stop here for today. We will see you again tomorrow in my class. Okay, make sure you all stay home with safe. Don't go out anywhere. Make sure you wear your mask always. Okay, goodbye children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.